Good afternoon to all my fans. How are you all doing today? Today we bring another content from Petit, Carribean, Creole flavor. We are bringing you more videos of our 100% natural flavor foods that we make in our culture. First off, we have white rice that we made along with Congo beans, which are also called pigeon peas as well, that are green. And alongside of it, we also have turkey wings with gravy that we had made. And alongside of those, we have some salad lettuce that we make every Sunday that we eat with our food. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Here they are. They are 100% natural. And we want to say thank you so much for your support. And if you are new watching this video, please subscribe to the channel, share the page, like the page, and comment on it. Thank you so much. You won't regret it. Have a wonderful day. Mabdi bonsoir tout fanatik mwen yo, koman nou ye? Jodi an nou retourne avek un lot video pou le Petit Goût Caribbean Creole Flavor. Jodi an se dimanche 26 juin. Jodi an nou gen lot manje ki na prezante nou, ke nou fe nan kulti la kay nou, ki 100% naturel. Nou gen yon du riz blanc ki nou fe ansam avek sos poa Congo, ansam avek sos zel koden ki nou fe, epi nou fe salade lettuce tout comme d'habitude. Men yo, mes amis, men Creole flavor, men yo, messieurs, dames. E ma profite di nou, merci en pile, nou kontinue support nou. Nou apresye sa en pile. Moun ki nouvo yo, s'il vous plaît, subscribe sou chaîne nan, like page lan, kommente sou page lan, epi partage li. Ok? Merci en pile. Encore fanatique mwen yo. Passez un bon dimanche.